Another one query is arising whether all the living organisms are respond and react in same way, whether all the living organisms will respond and react in same way. For example, you take trees, animals. So if you take trees and animals, and you can include from the animal category the humans also, because humans also come under animal category. Anyway, I will sort out the humans too. Whether these both three of them, all the three of them will react to the stimuli and respond to the stimuli in same way. One better example we can take: a dog is fighting in a street. That time humans are there. When they used to see a dog is fighting, or when they used to see a dog is start to chase, automatically they used to depart from that place by running, or they used to relocate from the place when two dog is fighting. But if you take trees, human beings, in animals, two dogs fighting, and the time humans used to relocate from the place, or depart from the place, or sometimes run away from the place. But if you take trees, they can't able to relocate, they can't able to depart, they can't able to run away. They will be at the same place. So this is one best example that all the living organisms is not need to react and respond in a same manner. This is one best example. So if you take microorganism, if you take macroorganism, if you take animals, if you take trees, if you take humans, all of them is not mandatory or is not compulsion to respond and react in the same way. Each living organism will respond and react in the same way based on the stimuli what they are receiving, based on the stimuli of what they are receiving. So all the living organisms will not react and respond in the same way.